In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Notion app. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make so you can sign out cleanly and know what to expect. This demo uses the web version, but the process is nearly identical in the desktop app. First, open your browser and go to Notion.com. If you're already signed in, great, you'll land in your workspace. If not, you'll see the home page with a prompt to get started or sign in. Look for the Login button near the top of the page and click it. This takes you to the sign-in screen. On the sign-in screen, choose the Google option. This is a common way to authenticate with Notion and keeps things quick. If your browser shows a list of Google accounts, click the account you use with Notion. If you're prompted to confirm, proceed, and you'll be redirected back into Notion. Once you're in, locate your workspace switcher. You'll find your workspace name at the top left of the Notion window. It may appear as the name itself or with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click your workspace name or click the drop-down to open the account and workspace menu. This is where Notion groups key account actions, including switching workspaces and signing out. In the menu that appears, look for the Logout option and click it. Notion will ask you to confirm, which helps prevent accidental signouts. Click Logout again to confirm. After a brief moment, you'll be signed out of your Notion account in this browser or app instance and return to a sign-in page. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you were already signed in when you arrived at Notion.com, you can skip the earlier sign-in clicks and go straight to your workspace name in the top left to find the logout command. If the interface looks slightly different, Notion refreshes its design from time to time, the wording stays consistent. You're looking for your workspace name or profile area, then the logout action within that menu. And remember, logging out doesn't delete anything. It simply ends your session on this device. You can sign back in anytime with the same method you used before. That's it. You opened Notion, signed in with Google if needed, opened the workspace menu, clicked log out, and confirmed the sign out. Follow these steps whenever you want a clean exit from your Notion account.